So another day with another one. This is Porsche Cayenne. So the engine is V8. But not much to do, just replacing spark plug and this valve cover gasket. Also, there is nothing about the tech. There is nothing except this. So in order to remove this intake, actually there is a mark. Follow this mark, this one, this mark come here, and then just lift, pull it out, just pull it out. See, it's like a lock. Right here. Just pull this out like this. Here a mark, actually. Follow this mark. When you tighten, follow this mark. Close, open, close. Same thing with this. Close, open, like this. And we have another one here. In order to remove this, take a screwdriver and peel that off. Now just come out. After that, you can pull this clip. Like this. Just push that clip with a screwdriver and pull this out. There you go. You can remove our filter. So it has 2 air filter. So just removing air filter is a job. Still have to go a lot. I'm gonna remove all this cover in order to get access to coil plug, and then spark plug, and then this gasket of cover gasket.